Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this, hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Mabuza. The presidency has reassured the nation that the Deputy President David Mabuza will continue with the implementation of the program of action of government as outlined by the President Cyril Ramaphosa during SONA earlier last month. The presidency released a statement following claims by a News 24 article in which an insider from the ANC claimed that Mabuza did not enjoy his role as Deputy President in government and has since written to Ramaphosa requesting to be placed at Luthuli House in the meantime. The article further claims that Mabuza is gunning for a full-time position at Luthuli House and is eyeing the role of Secretary General in the December conference. The presidency branded the article as a fabrication. They released a statement that read as follows: Deputy President Mabuza continues to execute constitutional responsibilities as delegated by the President. This is in addition to performing his responsibilities as part of the leadership collective of the governing party. Therefore, he is not distracted by such imaginings, even as they come dressed as news. Back in January, the ANC appointed Treasurer General Paul Mashatile to assist Jesse Duarte in the execution of duties of the Secretary General's office as Ace Magashule serves his suspension from the party. According to the source quoted by News 24, Mabuza's push to be part of the Secretariat came as he was not being punted for re-election as Deputy President. Mabuza's name was not featured among those receiving attention from the party structures and on social media debates. Minister of Justice and Correctional Services Ronald Lamola, Minister of Defense Thandi Modise, Minister of International Relations and Cooperation Dr. Naledi Pandor, and Minister of Human Settlements, Water and Sanitation Kentani Ubai Ngubane are receiving more attention. There has been calls by the ANC Youth League for a generational mix when the ANC holds its 55th National Elective Conference, with Lamola standing a chance to make history and become the first young deputy president of the ANC since 1912. Lamola, however, said in January that he would only make pronouncements, if any, at the right time, but agreed a generational mix was a necessity for the movement. He said the ANC does need a generational mix in the top six and all of its structures. Generational mix has been part of all ANC structures from the time immemorial. This has helped renew and re-energize the ANC. Youthful members of the ANC should not be apologetic to avail themselves to responsibilities best owed on them by the structures of the ANC. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to comment, like and subscribe so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye good people.